Manchester streets at night, shiny, bling bling. Yeah, just a quick tour around like Manchester streets and alleyways, stuff like that. And yeah. O'Connell, Irish bar, obviously, and beautifully decorated. That one is like outside sitting area, like a sort of a terrace, and which underneath the bridge, and literally just off the main Oxford Road, which is not far from town, not far from Piccadilly, and then got that over there, overnight bus, stuff like that. It just it's just amazing, fascinating, and like the layout, decoration, stuff like that is just all full package and like a little Irish vibe. Oh, and you got that lady over there wearing Victorian gown and beautifully, peacefully sipping the Guinness. Beautiful graffiti, beautiful art, beautiful painting. Yeah, just so lovely.